color and texture management. By default, surfaces inherit the color associated with the dominant plant on the surface. If there are no plants, they take on the color of the layer in which they are located. By default, this color is gray. If you change the color of the layer, all surfaces without an associated plant will take on the new color. However, if you change the color of a surface within the layer, it will have its own color. In this case, the reset arrow will appear. If you click on the arrow, the surface will return to its default behavior. For example, it will take on the color of the dominant plant or the color defined at the layer level if there are no plants. See the tutorial on layers for more details. If you have a tisanji license, you have additional texture options. You can apply a pattern and pattern color to generate textures. In addition, you can adjust the opacity of the color, the rotation, and the scale of the pattern. We also have full control over the outline, its thickness, color, and style. Textures also offer fractal effects. For example, for grass, anonymous hedges, water reflections, etc. We recommend experimenting with the available color and pattern combinations to achieve the desired results. For example, create a 3D impression of a roof using patterns such as terracotta tile, metal roof, and shingles. Draw each section of the roof separately and use lighter colors on the south side than on the north side. We have seen in the texture menu that you can enter the orientation of a texture numerically, but it is often easier to orient it by exiting the menu and using the yellow handles. If you want to reuse the same texture several times within the same drawing or in different drawings, you can save it in a texture library. Simply give the texture a name and associate it with an existing library or create a new one. To apply the texture, you can then simply select it from the list at the top. In addition, saving your texture and giving it a name will allow you to add it to the drawing's legend when printing.